pass me the pigs? Look, pig, pig. So give me a pig. One pig. Two pigs. Howie bad cat. Can you please? I need 5 of them. I need 5. 1. Let's you count. I'll count. Listen, listen, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? But it's not fair, Sal. 1 sheep, 2 pig, 1, 2. Can you please pass me 1 pig? Can you please pass me 1 pig so I can drive this and you will drive the animal train right? I love you. I'll play this one. I sprung L. L, your eyes look bad. No. Yes, the eyes. Mommy said it to you. Because we go to the eye doctor. No. Let's stand up and see who is the biggest. So let's stand up. Who's the biggest? Let's stand. 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 Stand up. So stand up. No. Will you check a letter? No. Please. No. I like chicken. Alex, I like chicken.
Alex, give her the ticket.